In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam Api64.Dll not found error quickly and easily. This common issue can interrupt your gaming experience, but with a few straightforward steps, you'll be back to playing your favorite games in no time. Let's begin by opening the Steam client on your computer. Once it's up and running, navigate over to your library, which is where you'll find a list of all the games you have installed on your account. This is your starting point for resolving the missing DLL issue. Next, locate the game that's been giving you trouble. Right-click on the game title to bring up a contextual menu and select Properties. Doing this opens a new window filled with various settings and options specific to your game. In the Properties window, look for the tab labeled Installed Files, or you might see it as Local Files. This is where Steam organizes your game data. Clicking on this tab will reveal yet more options. Now, you'll want to click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This option is incredibly useful as it prompts Steam to review your game files and ensure everything is as it should be. It'll check for missing or corrupted files and will attempt to fix them by downloading replacements from Steam servers. Once you've started the process, sit back and wait for Steam to complete its check. Depending on your game's size and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. After the verification is complete, try running the game again to see if the error is resolved. However, if you're still encountering issues or if the file is not reinstated, you might need to manually download the missing DLL file. Remember, it's crucial to download the Steam API.dll file from a reputable DLL download website to avoid any potential security risks. Upon downloading the correct version of the file, you'll need to place it into the game's installation folder. This folder is often located within your Steam directory on your computer, typically under C+ program files, Steam Apps Common. Simply find your game folder and paste the Steam API.dll file there. By following these steps, you should have effectively resolved the Steam Api64.Dll not found error. Whether it's through Steam's file verification or manually downloading the necessary file, your game should now run smoothly. Enjoy your gaming session without further interruptions, and remember, a little troubleshooting can go a long way in enhancing your gaming experience. Thank you for joining me, and happy gaming.